Hello guys, welcome back to Architectural World. Sorry for the long break. I've been really busy and currently I have a special order. Here a subscriber who is very important to this channel said that we should create a design on arc, how to put an arc. There are so many types of 3D modeling, and if you see this particular design very well, you will come across that it's a plain arc design. This is a plain arc design, and it's currently what almost everybody is using. So the subscriber said we should create a normal arc design. So we're going to be working on this, and that is very easy. If you want to create a normal arc, like a curved arc, let me show you how to do it. First, let me take away all these things. Please follow this very well because I'm not going to do it again. Okay, let's take all this off first. Let's take this off because we won't be needing this. I'm going to create arc design here. So let's bring this down. Then let's take this off. I'm just scattering this because I don't need it. So let's bring this here. Let's take this off and take this off. Take this off. Then take this off. Okay, let me take this off likewise. Okay, so right now I'm going to create a normal arc on this. That's what I'm going to do right now, a normal arc. So first of all, let me go to my ground floor, then go to my first floor where I can locate that. Okay, now this is where my arc is needed. So what do I do? Let me first of all put a wall here. I need a wall here. Now I'll copy this wall to the spot. Okay, I'll bring this to the spot. Okay, then I will extend this to the spot. Please follow what I'm doing. I know you already have this in your wall, so I just hope you follow what I'm doing. So I'll bring this to this wall because I'm not going to be doing this again. Okay, I'll drag this to match this. I'll copy this because I'm creating two arc. I'll come here, I'll paste it here. Okay, then I will extend this to this. Okay, then I'll bring this to this. Okay, then I'll bring this to match this. Okay guys, so let's see that on 3D. Let's see what we're doing on 3D. Okay, sorry, my bad. Let's take it up to, let's go to settings, then let's take this to story 2. Okay, perfect. Now I want to create a normal arc on this part, a normal curved arc. Let me show you what I need to do. Now for me to create a normal curved arc on this, let's first of all, I think I have to, let's say, okay, don't mind the noise from the machines. I'm currently on site, and that is why there is a whole lot of noise. I'm currently in the site right now, so that is why you can hear the noise. Okay, so I'm going to extend this to this way, then I'll come to this way. Okay, I have to extend this likewise. I'll extend this to this. Okay, now I need a wall here, so I'll just look for a wall to copy. Let me just copy any of this wall. Let me take a wall to copy. I'll just copy this wall. I'm just trying to make it look okay. It's not really necessary, but I just want to complete the design. Okay, now let me take you to the 3D. Now from the subscriber that requested for this, okay, let me take this off. I'm coming. Let me take this off. Okay, let's just leave it since it's not what we are designing. So for the subscriber that requested for a curved arc, if you know you're the one that requested for a curved arc and you really understand what I just did, please kindly drop it on the comment section. Now you have created your design and you need the arc here. Instead of using the suspended arc that I used, you want to use a arc here, a curved arc. Now you go to that particular space, A curve arc is the most simplest. You just come down to your design tools, you pick your door layout, you go to your door tools, you pick your door tools, you come to your door setting. Please follow it very well. I'm not going to do it again. Now from this angle, you choose empty door opening. You can see these are the curves. You can see these are the curves. So this is more similar. So you take this. So the moment you take this, there is one thing you need to put into consideration. Now you have choose the arc top door opening. Now this is the size. This is the size. First of all, you need to know the size. So let's go back. Let's close this. Let's check the size of this by picking the line tools. Then let's see this. This is, what size is this? Okay, 2.650. That's 2.650. Then let's come here to 2.650. Okay, we are using a size of 2.650. So we'll come here, we'll go to our empty door. Like I said, we'll pick our arc, we'll come to the size, we'll pick 2.650. Now the height, you know, the height of all arc is higher than the main door height. So since the main door is 2.1 meter and they have to be 225 millimeter on top this, so let's assume you should be using 2.4 meter in total. Now where do you have the BEP? Okay, let me just install this and show you something. You click OK, you come to the spot and you paste it here. Now let's go to 3D. Okay, let's still use the same. Let's paste both on the two sides we are working on. Let's put it here on both sides. Okay, let's put it on both sides. Okay, let's put here. Okay, now let's check it on our 3D. Okay, now you can see, you that make this request, please follow this video very well. Follow this video very well. Now you can, if you see very well that the curve is not smooth, check the curve is not smooth. How do you smooth it? You click this, you come to this spot, you click this, you go back to the settings. You can do this all once, but I just want to do it step by step in case you encounter it. You come to this part, this geometry settings. There is a place you're supposed to do that. Okay, sorry, my bad. You look for the door. You look for the door. This way is a little bit difficult. Let's try our 2D. Let's try our 2D. If we can click the door itself, we can click the, okay, I was able to click that one. So let me select the other door. Okay, I was able to click both doors. So you come here, you come to opening setting. There is no much thing for you to do. This curve resolution, this is where you just have to come to and you change this to 100 millimeter. That's the curve resolution. Then this is the height. It's telling you 450 millimeter and here it's telling you 1950 millimeter. And I want the curve to start from 20. I want this curve to start from 250. You edit. Okay, so let's check that from our 3D. Let's check our 3D so we don't make mistake. Okay, perfect. Now you see guys, we have a nice curve. You can see this is a nice curve. You can see very well that this is a very nice curve. We really don't use this method these days. That's why I have not been using it in all my designs. It's not like we can't do it. You can see this is a nice curve. So if you still want this arc to go up a bit, it's just for you to go to the settings, choose the door and increase the height of the spot. But you can see that this is okay. This is okay. So the next thing the subscriber requested for is column. He requested for a column. So let's come here. Let's go to our story 2. Okay, I want to do that too. So let's come to our column. This is a column 2. This is a column 2. You come to column settings. Now you can start to use a round column on this. You can see very well this is a round column. Then this is the model which you have to choose which is preferable to you. You can choose any of this model. The picture the subscriber sent to me, it has a WhatsApp timer that erased all messages after 24 hours. So I couldn't find it. Now I would have put it on this display so you see it. So now you come to the spot. Okay, we're already on the circle column. You come to the spot, you click this. Let's paste one here. Okay, There are two ways to achieve this. Let's paste one here. Okay, perfect. So we have to reduce this height to 2.4. Let's do that to 2.4. Now we have this column. Please and please, if you are the owner of this video, please and please don't forget to follow it, because I'm not going to do it again like I just said. So now we have this column. The next thing we need right now is the base. Now the base, there are ways you can get the base. You just come to object, you come to object tools, then we'll call that finishing. It's been long we use all this thing, modeling. Okay, you can work the base from this modeling. You can come to there is a place we normally get that stuff. Okay, column are active. You can see very well. Now structural elements, or you can even use the VAT function, wall extras. You pick this stuff from object. So now we're going to use structural elements. That's what we're going to be using right now. So let's pick this. Let's preview this. Okay, so now let's just paste it first before we go for height. Let's paste it first before we go to editing. Okay guys. Okay, now this is where you edit. Okay, let me take this down. I want to show you something so you don't miss what I'm doing. So we really don't need this column because you're using the standard of column, so we don't need this column. So what you need to do right now is come to your object. You go to your object tools. You look for your let's say your building structure. You look for your building structure, then you turn it on, building structure. You go to structural elements. These are the numbers of column you need, so you know what you want. So first of all, I think this is more simple than the other one, so let's work with this or this. Okay, let's take this, which we have already taken, and we have the bottom offset. I want the bottom offset to be 0. Let's start the settings from here. Now this column height is telling me 4950, and I want it in total of 2. I want it in total of, let's say 3 meter. Let's just check something. First, I prefer we paste it before we edit. Okay, let's paste before we edit. So let's check our 3D and see what to paste. Now this is what we pasted, which is way too big. Okay, so first we'll come here to 0. Let's start. Okay, it's not sitting on the slab. But it's still way too big. Okay, and the height is giving us 10 meter, and we need a height of 3 meter. Let's work it from here. Okay, 3 meter. Okay, now how do we keep going? Let's keep going. Let's change this to 300 millimeter. Okay, you can see we're still going. That's my reason why I told you that it's best for you to use your 3D to create the addition. Your 3D is perfect. You can use your 3D to create the addition. Okay, now what do you think we need to do? Okay, let's reduce this column to fall under the spots. So which means let's go for a height of 3 meter. I think the minimum height for this particular base is 377. Okay, still going. So let's take 2400. Let's take a height of 2400. Okay, it's coming up. Now to the subscriber who requested for this video, you can see that it's coming up nicely. There are multiple columns for you to use, a whole lot of columns for you to use. It's just for you to pick the column and do the addition in 3D. So what's next? Let's change the modeling. I think I prefer white. Let's use white modeling on this, so it's going to look cool. Let's use a glossy white. Let's look for it. Glossy white. I just need something that's going to come up nicely. Let's look for glossy white. Okay, perfect. So let's click OK to this. Yep, you can see that's nice. Now, if you still want to edit this column, you can still do that from here. From here, you can edit this column. You can also copy this column to this spot, and you can also reduce this column to 2 meter. Let's see. Okay, too low. Let's do 2.2 meter. 2.2 meter. Okay, perfect. So now you can see we have it right here. We want it 2.2 meter. So there are a lot of columns for you to use, so I'm going to use another column for this other part. So in case you don't understand the first one, I'm picking another column now. So what do? All I need to do is come back to my object. First, let me go down to my ground floor, go to my ground floor. Okay, then I'll come to my object tools, then I'll pick my object here. I'm already on the column, so let me use this. I'll come here as usual and paste it here. So I'll go to my 3D. Edition is always easy using the 3D. Okay, so I'll come here. I'll remove this to 0 because I don't want it downward, so it could push up. Okay, perfect. So that's 0. What do I need here? Here I need 2.2 meter. 2.2 meter. That's what I need here. 2.2 meter height. Okay, you can see. So we'll come to our modeling. So we can change this to white as well. Let's use glossy white. Depend on how you really want to create your design. So let's go for glossy white. Okay, so we'll click our OK. That's perfect. So what else do you want to do? Do you want to expand this column, or you want it is okay like this? If you want to expand this column to 600 millimeter, depending on how big you want it, you get it from here. If you want it smaller, you get it from here. So I think the 450 that came from factory is best. 450 millimeter. Okay, so guys, in case you're just coming across this channel, this is Architectural World, a place where anything you want, just drop it and we'll get it treated immediately. So you see, if this video is for you, please drop a comment and drop a like button. If you don't understand it, hit me up on WhatsApp again and tell me what you want, then I'm going to get it done. So you can see your arc is created and your pillar design is created. So best of luck, family. I love you guys. See you guys soon.